Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can add a vendor in Sage Intacct, so let's get started. To add a new vendor in Sage Intacct, you can access the vendor creation page from several areas, including the custom navigation menu, Accounts Payable, or Purchasing. In this example, we'll use the Purchasing module. Select Add Vendor, then enter the vendor's business name along with any other required company information. After that, open the Additional Information tab to complete extra details such as the Certificate of Insurance expiration date and the vendor tax ID if your organization uses these fields. Depending on how your system is configured, Sage Intacct may display validation warnings if important information is missing. These warnings let you know which fields should be completed before saving. Simply enter the required details, such as a future insurance expiration date and the vendor's tax ID, then review the information. Once everything looks correct, click Save to create the vendor. Your new vendor is now ready to be used for purchasing and accounts payable transactions. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.